Hello guys, you can see a beautiful template. I have integrated it into my AngularJS app. So if you see the full video, you will get to learn how to integrate a Bootstrap template into your Angular app in few minutes. And you can see this beautiful template works very good. You can browse all of them. So this is a ready template to jump on your dream project. So let us download the admin LT template first. So admin LT adminlt.io. Click on the link and click on download. You will see some few versions. Here you can see version 4.0 beta 1. So we will download admin LT version 3.2. That is the latest. Okay, so we'll download the source code. You can see we have successfully downloaded the zip file. So let us extract it. First let us copy and paste it to our desired folder. Here we can paste it and just extract all. It will take a few moments. So we have extracted the admin LT template. Here you can see a lot of files, and you can see the main index.html file here. So let us keep it. And now let us move on to Visual Studio to create a AngularJS app. Okay, so open the folder where we want to put the project. So it is on, suppose, AngularJS. And now I am in the Bootstrap folder, so let us open a new terminal. So let us create a AngularJS app. npm install. Yes, it will include the package log.json, ignore the errors. Then npm init y, which will include the package.json. Then npm install express save. We'll need the express for presenting our web to the host. So now you can see the basic AngularJS figure is created here. So now we will create a service.js to show our app on a website or on a browser. So let us create a file that should be named server.js. Const express equal require express const path equal require path, then const app equal express app dot use express dot static path dot join directory name, that is dir name, comma, here I am writing public. I will explain it later. Then const port equal process dot env environment dot port 3000 app dot listen port comma here we can write console dot log server is running at http localhost dollar port. Here we have made a simple mistake. Here it should be like this. Okay, so now let us create a folder here. Here we'll give the name as public. You can see the structure: first node modules, then public, then package.json, then package.json, server.js. So now what I am going to do is the most important part of this tutorial. Here you will copy the admin lt files from here. Just Control A, Control C, and you will paste it inside your app. And here you have just created the public folder, so inside the public folder just paste. Okay, so let us move to the Visual Studio. Here you can see all the files are in the public folder, and now you can notice one thing. I have said that directory name is public, so this thing will load static files from public, and we all know the file which is going to be load first is index.html. So now if we run the project and look onto localhost 3000, then we should get the output. So let us run the project. Node server.js. So you can see server is running at localhost 3000. So let us browse localhost 3000. Localhost 3000. Here you can see we have successfully integrated the admin LT template to our Angular app. So this is how you can include any template in your Angular app. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video will help you. And to see more videos like this, please subscribe the channel, and if you have any confusion or any suggestion, please hit the comment.